All right, let's solve this. We have 3 to the 2x minus 1 minus 4 times 3 to the x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. So we're going to do a little pattern recognition here, and it might seem a little bit weird at first, but we're going to create a new variable, give ourselves a new equation that's easy to solve. We'll solve that, and then we'll return to this equation and figure out what x has to be. But I'm intrigued by this 3 to the x, because I've got a 3 to the something over here as well. In fact, let's rewrite this term. I can write this as 3 to the 2x times 3 to the minus 1, which I can then write as 3 to the 2x divided by 3. And I can write that as 1/3 3 to the 2x. And I'm going to write that 3 to the 2x as 3 to the x and then to the 2. Okay, so the reason I did that is because now it's going to become clear what we should do. This term we can rewrite as 1/3 3 to the x squared okay? And now what's in our parentheses is this 3 to the x character. We're going to create a new variable. I'm going to call it smiley face. And it's going to be equal to 3 to the x. So now we can rewrite this equation as 1/3 smiley face squared minus 4 smiley face plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, you should be pretty happy here because this is a quadratic equation in the variable smiley face. We know how to solve these, right? We've got the completing the square, we have the quadratic formula, or maybe this is going to factor nicely. Let's see if it factors nicely. If I multiply everything through by 3, I end up with smiley face squared minus 12 smiley face plus 27 is equal to 0. I think this factors as smiley face minus 3 times smiley face minus 9. Right, 9 and 3 multiply to give me 27, and they add to give me that 12. Cool, so smiley face needs to be equal to 3, or it can equal 9. So now that we know what smiley face is, we're not done, right? We wanted to solve this equation for x. But here's the relationship between smiley face and x, right? We gave ourselves a new variable by recognizing a pattern inside the original equation. We solved for the variable, and now we can take this and solve for x. So when smiley face is equal to 3, x has to be 1. When smiley face is equal to 9, x has to be 2. So these are the two solutions. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 for this equation here.